Are you tired of clutter in your Pipedrive pipeline? Learn the exact steps to safely delete any deal in under 30 seconds. We'll start by opening Pipedrive, then navigate to the deal, use the hidden menu, and confirm deletion. Let's go. So first things first, you want to open up Pipedrive in your browser. Just go ahead and log in if you aren't already. I like to have this open in a dedicated tab so I can switch back and forth easily. All right, once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all your main sections. Go ahead and click on Deals. This is where all your sales activity lives, so this is our home base for this tutorial. Now, we need to find the specific deal you want to remove. Scroll through your pipeline or use the search bar at the top. For this example, I'm looking for a test deal I created earlier. Take your time here. You don't want to accidentally delete the wrong one. Once you spot the right deal, click on its name. This will open up the deal's details page, which gives you a full view of everything associated with that deal. Give it just a moment to load. A quick pause here and you'll see all the information populate. Now, here's the part that trips a lot of people up. Look in the top right corner of the deal details page. See those three little dots? That's the three-dot menu. It's easy to miss because it blends in with the interface, but that's your key to the advanced actions. Go ahead and click it. When you click those dots, a drop-down menu will slide out. Take a quick look at the options available. You'll see things like Edit or perhaps Add Activity, but what we're after is at the very bottom. You should see a red option that simply says Delete. Go ahead and click Delete, and I want you to pause right here. This is the safety net. Pipedrive is going to pop up a confirmation box. Don't just click through it. Read what it says. It will typically ask, are you sure you want to delete this deal? And it will remind you that this action is permanent. It might warn you about losing any associated data. Now, you have two choices. If you're positive you want it gone, click the Delete Deal button to confirm. If you're having second thoughts, the Cancel button is your friend. In my experience, it's always better to double-check than to rush and lose something important. After you click Confirm, give Pipedrive a moment to process. The screen might flicker or load for a second. You'll notice the Deal Details page will close, and you'll be taken back to your main deal list. If it doesn't take you back automatically, just click on Deals in the left sidebar again to return to your full pipeline. And here's the final verification step. Look at your pipeline. The deal you just deleted should be gone. No red numbers, no pending cards, just a clean, empty spot where it used to be. I always do this quick visual check just to make sure everything went smoothly. And that's it. You've gone from dealing with clutter to confidently cleaning up your pipeline. Remember, the delete option is always hiding behind that three-dot menu in the top right corner. Thanks for sticking with me. Happy selling!